Hello friends, so today's topic is how to create a playlist for YouTube videos, right? Those who upload YouTube videos for them, YouTubers. So how to create a playlist? Okay, so let me tell you first the use of a playlist. For the use of a playlist is that you can accumulate or you can gather all the videos belongs to the same category and keep them at one playlist so that your viewers can watch them one by one. Okay, or you can share the whole playlist so that it helps one. So suppose you are creating a course, okay. You are creating a course, so you obviously first class, second class, or first part, second part, like that. So you gather them at one place, and that is the use of creating a playlist. So how to create a playlist? If you go to the creator studio, there is no such option of creating a playlist. If I click on playlist here, it will show my created playlist, but there is no such option from where I can create a new playlist. But I have a trick, that is, you just go to the YouTube channel, okay. YouTube, not creator studio. Go to the YouTube, and from here suppose you simple open a video, stop it, okay. Then this save button, you can say this save option, so click on save, okay. Here it will be saved your recent playlist, so you need to click on this change option, you need to click on this change option. Now if you click on this change option, here all the playlist will be open, and the playlist in which that video added, you need to untick it. It was ticked, and I will untick it first, so that that video does not go to the do not go to that mm, that playlist, okay. Now here you can see that here is a option, the new playlist, plus button and new playlist. So I will click here, and I will first title, so I will give a title of the playlist, say AA. Okay, AA. Now it is private or public, so obviously if it is for your viewers, obviously you will made it public, or if you want to create a private playlist, then obviously you should keep it private, okay. Then click on create, and it's done, okay. Whatever, server connected, okay. Let's saved, and I am again changing, create new playlist, AA, private to public, and create, okay. Playlist created. Now if I see the list, I can see my list here, it's AA, okay. Now I can edit the playlist here. If I title it, okay, so title it anything else, TT, okay. And now you can add description as well, so that's it, and you need to update it, okay. Now it is selected randomly, just you need to select a video first randomly to create a playlist, it's must. But now this is not your that for that this playlist is not for this video. It may happen because you selected it randomly, so I need to click on this three dot, and I will simply remove from TT, that's it, best remove. And now when you will upload videos next time, there you will get, suppose I am uploading this, okay. And next, if I do next, okay, and now add detail section will come up, and here you can see the add to playlist, so I will get this TT option, and I can easily add to the add my videos to a playlist. So that's it friends, thank you friends, and please don't forget to subscribe, please. I am discovering this kind of tips and tricks, and I am sharing. Already I have a laptop, but I tried this in mobile, that how can I do it. So because many people are there who is doing YouTube videos through mobile, but I checked their channel and they have no playlist. But you can create this playlist, and it adds a extra advantage or a good appearance to your viewers. Thank you friends.